Hey everyone, welcome to Arte Brigade. And this is my first time I'm doing painting with my own voiceover. So this is a video about a complete tutorial of how to make an abstract art with a reference image. So this is the reference image I selected, and now I'm going to make abstract of this image on my canvas. So let's see how to do it in a very easy and the simple techniques. So we have a blue here, a green here, and some red roses here. So let's see how to make this beautiful scenery into an abstract. So the colors are light blue and red for flowers, green for greenery, grass, and some dark shade of phthalo green. And obviously we need a white to blend those colors. So let's start painting. Okay, so I'm starting with the blue. There's a blue over here, the top part. I'm applying the floor here. And there are white clouds. You can see white clouds here. So obviously it's going to be white here. Okay, now there are little shades of violet or light purple. So I'm using deep cyan, something matching to this shade. Only little one drop is fine. Okay, let's blend all this. So here it is blue. Because it's an abstract art, you're not going to make a very detailed painting. It's an abstract. Okay, that much is fine. Now I'm going to wipe off this blue with a towel and just remove this color. Now next blend the white. And just smudge all those greens just to make the feel of a cloud. Coming more color, just wipe it and again do the same thing. Now I need a little bit of white to blend this color. This. That's enough for now. And remove excess color. Take a little bit of white and blend the sharper edges of the blue. And the color there. Here this part you can see more white. So I'm realizing that. Yes. And here you can see some white. Making there also a little bit of white. Here I'm not using water. I'm just wiping the colors with a towel. Now you can see the weight. Okay, white here also. And here a little bit here. Just to make the clouds in an abstract way. Yeah. That's for the sky. Sky is almost done. Now we can do the grass. For the grass, I'm using this green, the light green. I'm just applying it there. A little is fine. Yeah. Just now this one here now. Okay. Let's just blend it out. So we are making a grass. So you should make the direction like it's slanting. Yeah. I'm just making the direction more slanting to look like it's a mountain area. Okay. Over here it is going to be a little bit darker. You can see there's some darker greens over here. So I'm doing this green here. Here, yeah, that's enough. For abstract art, you are not making the exact picture. just an illustration. So don't be scared to paint. It's free. It's free. You can do um, the art the way you want. There is no rule to make exact image in abstract. Okay? You can see the sunlight coming on the grasses. So I'm gonna do this in an abstract way. So I'm taking yellow, just blending all those with the green. Next, I'm using lemon yellow to get the exact shade of the sunlight. Yes, that's how I do abstract art. I just take reference images and try to convert it into an abstract art. That's how you can also practice. So it's a very easy and fun idea to practice abstract art. Okay, this area is done now. Next, I'm going to do the furring with the red. It's just an illustration, so I'm just doing a dot of flowers. Just a dot is enough. Yeah. You can put the dots randomly just to illustrate there are some flowers on the grass. Here I used only this single brush for the whole process. Yes. Use the glue to remove the red. For highlighting the flowers, I'm using white, a very little. So the next part is make the areas a little bit darkened to show the stems and the leaves. I'm using a very darker green for this. Just to illustrate, there are some green stems and leaves is there. That's it. Use some of lemon green to make some shades of leaves. Now I'm drawing this trees over here because it is partially dried completely. Just illustrate the trees with a dark green. Now I'm gonna make the shade, the shadow of the trees simply by using a darker shade of the green. I'm just illustrating the shade, that's it. You wanted to make it exactly the same. Yes, that's how I transferred my reference image to an abstract art. Now the final stage is going to be a detailed stage where I'm going to give some highlights to make it more beautiful. I'm making this a little more brighter. I'm going to add lighter shades of a green to make stems and grasses. Look into your original image and make the corrections, because you can see a little bit of white in between the trees. So I'm gonna make your lighter with white. Okay. The part of the sky seeing through the trees. So I'm just showing off that, like in the original picture. Highlighting the clouds a little more. So this is almost finished now. So I'm so excited to see the final look after removing the tab. So we can gently remove the tab. So this is how I transform my images to an abstract style. This is one of the easiest method you can do. And I hope this video is going to be very useful for those who are planning to make an abstract art with reference images. And this is one of the easiest way that you can do. And practice with more reference pictures, then you will get the idea of how to make an abstract art, because it's going to be the very easiest method. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share, like, subscribe my YouTube channel, Arte Brigade. Thank you.